Hi, Mitchell Levy here, global credibility expert, and I want to invite you to office hours. I'll make myself available just to randomly answer questions, whatever you have, be able to interact with you in terms of what's going on, what's credible, what's not, how to make things happen, how not. I've got a whole series of experts I'm working with. There are actually 25 partners that I have to do a whole series of content, and we'll invite some of those on to communicate. And then I've got a lot of fun topics I want to talk about. I want to talk about CPOP, your customer point of pain, choosing the right audience and being able to serve them with either a done for you, do it with you, or a do it yourself business models, using calendar tools, being able to have your calls be video calls, doing social media in 5 minutes a day, being able to figure out the type of people that you need to be and the type of exposure from sales, marketing, a little bit of project management, a little bit of Laura that you need to have. Some of the topics we're going to cover from other people is, hey, is your LinkedIn profile up to speed? How's your brand? How do you look? When people Google you, what does it mean? Do you look like a Porsche Ferrari, or do you look like a Prius? Are you sharing content on social media? Are you engaging your people with LinkedIn? Are you focused on the right thought leadership? If you decided to hire a PR firm or a marketing agency, what are they going to be doing for you? Are you using automated tools combined with humans to help bring you customers from your LinkedIn audience, Facebook audience, Instagram audience, wherever you are? Are you using email to drive leads? So anyhow, as you can imagine, there are a ton of fun topics. We'll make this driven from the types of questions you ask. You'll be able to drive questions, get things answered, and get exposed to a lot of amazingly talented individuals and some really good content that will, at the end of the day, help you drive more business, give you the credibility you need, the reach you need, the marketing you need, so you can bring more business in the door. Come and join me. Look forward to interacting with you. Take care. Bye.